This concept is not so much about the destination, it's more about the journey of chasing the best waves. We created a mobile hotel so we can follow along the coastline to go where the best swells are, to follow the sun, and also to connect with people on this great adventure that is the freedom of traveling. It's a lifestyle that we love to share.
I'm a person that loves to create things. In our life, we have been working in surf camps where we saw that a lot of people want to explore the areas around, but they were more stuck in the same place. We also worked together in the Netherlands in the boats. There were hotels on the water. That's how we also create inside of this truck to give that extra comfort of kind of a house, but have the flexibility of a boat and of a caravan.
There was nothing that existed already, so we had to build it from scratch.
So Eduardo, apparently at the beginning they told you that it was like impossible to build.
Yeah, a lot of people thought it wasn't possible to build, us having like 10 guests sleeping upstairs plus our room down. As you see, we have those 4 small 8 windows. Those windows are where we have 4 bunk bedrooms. On the back here, just behind our big logo, is the couple room with a nice window to the back. Downstairs, we got on this slide out, we got our private room. Here in the front, our balcony that slides out from underneath the truck. We have a little wetsuit rack to dry our wetsuits after the surf. Nice entrance with some solar covered on the top. We also have those stabilizing legs that we use them to stabilize the truck, make sure the truck is always level and stable. Balcony, we also have some water tanks where we storage our water for using during the days, during the trips. On the top, we have the solar panels where we get our energy from because we are self-sufficient. From the solar, we get enough energy to use during the day and to charge our 5 kilowatt batteries that we can use the energy from the batteries during the night. So we can really be independent and don't need any.
So you can live a few days here without any energy.
Without anything, just by ourselves. We don't need any electricity plugs. We don't need any tap near us to pick up water, to get water from. Because we also have not only this truck, this is our truck where we sleep in, but we have an extra van. That's a 9-seat van where we transport the people to do all the activities. And also on the box, on the back, storage where we storage all our toys, our surfboards, all the surf equipment and all other toys. And also 2 containers where we get the water. 1 container for fresh water, 1 container for dirty water. And with that van we can go and refill and empty the truck. We're working together, both of us, we both drive, we both do all the work. I'm more focused in moving the truck around, the maintenance, all the more hand work. And then Daniela is more focused in the office work and also teaching and also work traveling around with the guests. Normally we do the day that the truck moves, Daniela goes with the guests. The day that the truck stays, Daniela stays and I go with the guests around. And when the truck moves, I make sure the truck gets packed in and move to the next spot and open the truck again so the guests have their hotel in the right place.
Partner in business, partner in life.
Best team.
Best team, best couple.
Bonnie and Clyde, yes. We move the truck every couple of days. So we have 3 main destinations along the year. During the winter we go more to Morocco where the warm weather is and also the best waves are and the culture is amazing. The spring we do surf trips on the southern Portugal, and during the summer where we are now it's the northern coast of Portugal. And we do weekly trips from Sunday to Saturday with groups of guests, and we travel along a planned itinerary. The truck moves to each location every couple of days, and we just surf, give surf lessons from beginners, intermediate and advanced, and also explore the nature and the culture of each location. All right, so now we go inside the truck. We are going up the stairs here. We have a balcony that expands manually, and here we have a beautiful view over the ocean. We always choose private lands or public areas where we have the permits from the local governments or campsites, and always next to the ocean so everyone can enjoy the beach and the nature and relax. There's many things we can do and just immerse ourselves in nature.
Okay, okay. So you have this big thing that can go up.
Yes,
And
yes.
that's just a glass window.
Yeah, it's a big glassy door. When we are inside, we always feel connected with the surroundings. So all the doors in the truck, they have a special system to access. They are all electrical. So when we close, they lock automatically. And to access, we put a code. I'm going to put the code here to enter. And we unlock. And like this, everyone is free to go outside, go inside whenever they want. And everyone has a code to access the main door and also their room. This is the living room. For us, it was very important to get the inspiration on the Netherlands sailing boats where we were working. Under the deck, they were floating hotels, and everything that they designed and created, it's to make the comfort for everyone with wide open areas, with compact furniture and bedrooms. And so we were basing on those designs as well to create this interior. It's not like a camper, because campers normally have a lot of curves and plastic. We wanted to use natural materials to give more a home environment. So coming in, we have a long table where everyone sits and have their meals. We prepare the breakfast buffet every morning, and also for dinner and lunch they can cook, or we order food and bring to the truck. On this corner here we have a long sofa where everyone can relax, play some instruments, or just enjoy the time with each other. We also have a washing machine that we use just for our personal clothes inside. And everything is in wood, natural materials. We have a fully equipped kitchen with 2 fridges. This one for the staff, for the breakfast, and this one for the guests where they can storage all of their groceries. Then we have a stove. We have these buttons. The system is also based in the boats. So when we click, it's flat and compact. And we have all the plates and cutlery everywhere around. So it's accessible for the guests to use it anytime. We have a UV filter to clean all the water and kill the bacteria, so everyone can drink water directly from the tap and refill their bottles. We have a very nice device. It's a dishwasher. The name is Bob. And we really recommend to mobile houses and campers because it only uses 3 liters of water per wash, and it's very handy for our daily tasks.
It's super compact.
Yeah, it's really, and it doesn't take any space, and it only uses a little bit of energy, so very efficient. We also have sound system. We have a screen that we use to watch movies at night, or even when we film the surfers, we watch their videos in this screen, and then we give tips for them to improve their surf techniques. This furniture was made by Eduardo. It's a furniture on wheels, so it moves. Because when we close the truck, everything gets collapsed, and this furniture goes into our room. In this corner here, in the back of the truck, we have my room and Eduardo's room. You can come inside to see. So yeah, this is the staff room. Our bed goes against the wall, so it folds. And then the slide moves in until the door, and the room stays half of the size. Then we also have windows, and we created like an office here. We installed this table that we can use to work anytime, and always with a very beautiful view.
Amazing.
So we use every corner we can to make solutions for our lifestyle. In this corner, we have the shower, a very nice and comfortable shower. It's actually one of my favorite parts of the truck because it's really well made with water spray. But of course, we try to save water because we are in a truck. But everyone can have a shower at the end of the day. They can also use the outdoor shower when it's hot and they can rinse. But they can also have a very nice and cozy shower. In this corner here, we have the toilet. The light is automatic. And we put this design that gives the impression that this area is longer than it really is, with an ocean view as well.
Okay.
And it's a normal housing toilet.
Okay, with water, not a dry toilet.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Coming up the stairs, we found a long, spacious hall. We have 5 double rooms, 4 rooms with bunk beds, and 1 room with a double bed. I'm going to show you one of the bunk bed rooms. So to access, we enter the code. And easily we can enter and see inside. So we have 2 beds in each room, and the beds, they fold in half like this against the wall. Okay, so we close them, and then this slide out moves in until the door, and the room also stays half of the size. Okay, so then when it's compact, everything goes down into the living room.
It's like a Tetris.
Yes, it's like a puzzle. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Uh-huh.
And you never forgot to fold a bed down one day?
Yes, actually, we forgot one time after an interview on the television, national television in Portugal. When the interview finished, we were closing the truck a little bit in a rush, and we forgot to close one of the beds, and then the slide out was coming in and smashed the bed because it's a very strong system, electrical, and so it crushes everything on the way.
Damn.
Yeah, so luckily the beds were from IKEA, and we quickly managed to fix it. So we went to buy another frame, and Eduardo adjusted and painted, and in 2 hours it was ready.
Wow. It's better that the bed breaks than the system.
Yes, or someone as well. No, there was no people inside. The rooms have windows with beautiful views, and then they have also blackouts, boxes to storage their personal things, USB plugs, normal electrical plugs, and mirrors, and everything also in hoods and with some pictures from Morocco and Portugal. And then, so we have 4 of these, in total for 8 persons. And in the end of the hall, we have the double room for 2 persons, a double bed, very wide and spacious, with a beautiful view as well over the ocean and the fields. Yes, so the double bed, in this case, it goes against the wall. Okay, so the bed falls against the wall, and then the area of the bed and where I'm standing slides down into the living room. Also the walls and the ceilings.